intro, let's just get straight to the point. Today I have the DJI MIC Mini over here. Just a quick review. Right now we are shooting straight from the camera squad. You know mics. How does it sound? Okay, let's just open this and see what it got. So in the box, it's pretty cool. It gives this nice DJI bag, which is amazing. Get a few windshield covers. It comes in black and white. Yeah, I heard that black and white is stronger though than the blacks, but we'll test it out. You also get your charging cable, and I think that's where you connect the receiver to the camera. Now let's see what the mic has. It's a cute box. I like it. The minis are amazing. They look so small. I think if you attach them over here, it's not gonna cause any destruction. You get two, and they come with magnets, so you can just stick it anywhere you want to stick it. This is the transmitter. It looks pretty cool. We are not going to go much in depth into this. This is just going to be a test audio video. Okay guys, now we do have the mic on, and this is how the DJI Mini mic sounds. It's pretty cool. I like how it's lightweight. There's literally no weight at all. It's small, compact. I'm excited to see how it sounds, but how does it sound? Does it sound good? But you can check the difference between when the video started and now, because now we are using the mic and hopefully it's better. So this has been a short video. Would you get a DJI Mini mic? Let me know in the comment section.